Hi, today in front of me Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute ringtone, we should hold and slide to the right side this dot. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just we can make it with the help of the volume button. But to do that, first we should be sure that in advanced settings in volume button function we have selected ringtone volume, and after that by this way we can just unmute this volume panel by press to the up volume button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.